Here we deal with the breech delivery. Breech delivery. A breech presentation is a type of malpresentation in which the podalic pole or fetal buttocks or the lower extremity present at the pelvic inlet. Next is the type of breech presentation, that is complete or flexed breech, incomplete breech presentation. In incomplete breech presentation, there are frank breech, knee presentation, footling presentation. This is the diagram of breech, complete and footling presentation. Next is complete breech or flex breech. There will be normal attitude of full flexion is maintained. Thigh are flexed at hip joint and knees presenting part consists of two buttocks, external genitalia and two feet. Next is incomplete breech presentation or frank breech, breech with extended legs. The thigh are flexed on the trunk and the legs are extended at the knee joints. The presenting part consists of two buttocks and external genitalia. Most common in breech presentation, primigravida about 70%. Next is the knee presentation. Thigh are extended but knees are flexed, bringing the knees down to present at the brim. Next is the footling presentation with complete or partial extension at the hip joint and extension at the knee joint. Both the thigh and legs are partially extended, bringing the legs to present at the brim. The lie is longitudinal, position is right and left sacroanterior, presentation is podalic pole, buttocks, then presentation is buttocks, external genitalia and 2 feet. The attitude is full flexion and denominator is sacrum. The position in breech is right sacroanterior, left sacroanterior, right sacroposterior and left sacroposterior. This is the diagram. Next is mechanism of labor in breech presentation for sacroanterior position. There are three cardinal movements. First is the delivery of buttocks and lower limbs. First engagement take place. The engaging diameter is bitrochanteric 10 cm with the sacrum directed towards the iliopubic eminence. When the diameter passes through pelvic brim, the breech is engaged. Descent, it will occur until the buttocks touches the pelvic floor. Internal rotation of the anterior buttocks occur through 1/8 of the circle, placing it behind the symphysis pubis. Further descent with lateral flexion of the trunk occur until the anterior hip hangs under the symphysis pubis, which is released first, followed by the posterior hip. Delivery of trunk and lower limbs follows. Restitution will occur so that the buttocks occupy the original. Is the delivery of shoulder and arms. Here the engaging diameter is biacromial diameter 12 cm, engages in the same oblique diameter as that occupied by the buttocks at the brim soon after the delivery of breech. Then descent occur in the internal rotation of the shoulder, bringing the shoulder lie in the anterior posterior diameter of pelvic outlet. The trunk simultaneously rotate externally through 1/8 of a circle. Delivery of shoulder, posterior shoulder followed by the anterior one is completed by anterior flexion of the delivered trunk. Restitution, the untwisting of the trunk occurs putting anterior shoulder towards the right thigh in left sacroanterior and left thigh in right sacroanterior. External rotation of shoulder occur in the same direction because of internal rotation of the occiput through 1/8 of the circle anteriorly. The fetal trunk is now positioned as dorso-anterior. Third cardinal movement is delivery of head. Engagement, the diameter of head is suboccipitofrontal 10 cm engages in opposite oblique diameter, descent with increasing flexion occur, internal rotation of the occiput occurs anteriorly through 1/8 of a circle, placing the occiput behind the symphysis pubis. Further descent occurs until the subocciput hangs under the symphysis pubis. The head is borne by flexion, the chin, mouth, nose, forehead, vertex and occiput appearing successively.